Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Murza Beg, first year MBBS student from Government Medical College Srinagar. So in this video we will be discussing the answer key of today's chemistry paper of NEET 2021. Now without wasting any time, starting with chemistry, question number 1. The molar conductance of NaCl, HCl and CH3CONa at infinite dilution are given. The molar conductance of CH3COOH at infinite dilution is. Choose the right option for your answer. इसका जो correct option है that is option number 3, 390.71. Coming to question number 52 of the paper. Actually this is series P1. Now coming to question number 52. What is the IUPAC name of the organic compound formed in the following chemical reaction? इस product का organic IUPAC name बताना है. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज ऑप्शन 1, 2-methyl butane 2-ol. Coming to question number 53. The following solutions were prepared by dissolving 10 gram of glucose into 50 milliliter of water with pressure P1, 10 gram of urea into 50 milliliter of water, pressure P2, and 10 gram of sucrose into 50 milliliters of water, pressure P3. The right option for the decreasing order of osmotic pressure of these solutions is. इसका जो correct option है that is option 2, P2 greater than P1 greater than P3. Now question number 54. The right option for the statement the Tyndall effect is exhibited by. इसका जो correct option है that is option 4, starch solution. Now question number 55. The maximum temperature that can be achieved in blast furnace is. इसका जो correct option है that is option 3, up to 2200 kelvins. Question number 56. The correct option for the number of body-centered unit cells in all 14 types of Brevis lattice unit cell is. इसका जो correct option है that is option 1, 3. Now coming to question number 57. An organic compound contains 78% carbon and remaining percentage of hydrogen. The right option for the empirical formula of this compound is. इसका जो correct option है that is option 4, CH3. Zirconium with atomic number 40 and hafnium with atomic number 72 has similar atomic and ionic radii because of. इसका जो correct option है that is option number 4, because of lanthanide contraction. EDTA ion is ethylene diamine tetraacetate. EDTA ion is. इसका जो correct option है that is option 2, hexadentate ligand with 4 oxygen and 2 nitrogen donor atoms. Now coming to question number 60. The correct structure of 2,6-dimethyl dec4-ene is. इसका जो correct option है that is option 2. Now coming to question number 61. The RBC deficiency is deficiency disease of. इसका जो correct option है that is option 2, vitamin B12. Now coming to question number 62. BF3 is planar and electron deficient compound. Hybridization and number of electrons around the central atom respectively are. इसका जो correct option है that is option 4, sp2 hybridization and number of electrons around the central atoms are 6. Coming to question number 63. Dihedral angle of least stable conformer of ethane is. इसका जो correct option है that is option 1, 0 degree. Among the following alkaline earth metal halides, one which is covalent and soluble in organic solvents is. इसका जो correct option है that is beryllium chloride, option 1. Question number 65. Which one of the following polymers is prepared by addition polymerization? इसका जो correct option है that is Teflon, option 2. Now question number 66. The structure of beryllium chloride in solid state and vapor phase are respectively. इसका जो correct option है that is option 2, chain and dimer respectively. Now coming to question number 67. Which one of the following methods can be used to obtain highly pure metal which is liquid at room temperature? इसका जो correct option है that is distillation, option number 4. Which one among the following is the correct option for right relationship between Cp and Cv for 1 mole of ideal gas? इसका जो correct option है that is option 3, Cp minus Cv equivalent to R. Now coming to question number 69. Tritium, a radioactive isotope of hydrogen, emits which one of the following particles? इसका जो correct option है that is option 2, beta negative. The major product formed in dehydrohalogenation reaction of 2-bromopentane is. pent-2ene. This product formation is based on, इसका जो correct option है that is option second, Sadzeph's rule. Now question number 71, a particular station of All India Radio, ये यहाँ पे दिया है, अब बतानी है the wavelength of the electromagnetic radiation emitted by the transmitter is, इसका जो correct option है that is option second, 219.3. Now coming to question number 72, right option for the number of tetrahedral and octahedral voids in hexagonal primitive unit cells are, इसका जो correct option है that is 12 and 6 respectively, option number 1. Now question number 73, identify the compound that will react with Hinsberg's reagent to give a solid which dissolves in alkali, इसका जो correct option है that is option 4. Now coming to question number 74, the pKb of dimethylamine and pKa of acetic acid are 3.27 and 4.77 respectively at T temperature kelvins. The correct option for the pH of dimethyl ammonium acetate solution is, इसका जो correct option है that is 7.75, option number 4. Now coming to question number 75, the major product of the following chemical reaction is, इसका जो correct option है that is option second. Question number 76, match list first with the list second, इसका जो correct option है that is option second. Now coming to question number 77, the incorrect statement among the following is, इसका जो incorrect statement है that is option 3, most of the trivalent lanthanides ions are colorless in solid state. Now moving on question number 78, statement first and statement second, इसका जो correct option है that is option second, both statement first and statement second are true. Now moving to question number 79, noble gases are named because of their inertness towards reactivity, identify an incorrect statement about them, इसका जो correct option है that is option third, noble gases have very high melting and boiling points. Question number 80, the compound which shows metamerism is, इसका जो correct option है that is C4H10O, option first. Now coming to question number 81, choose the correct option for the graphical representation of Boyle's law, which shows a graph of pressure versus volume of a gas at different temperatures. इसका जो correct option है that is पहला वाला option है, pressure volume 60 के पहला 600 Kelvin, 400 Kelvin and 200 Kelvin. Now coming to question number 82, the correct sequence of bond enthalpy of CX bond is, इसका जो correct option है that is option 3, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now coming to question number 83, given below are two statements, statement first and statement second, इसका जो correct option है that is option 3, both statement first and statement second are false. Now coming to question number 84, for a reaction A gives B, enthalpy of a reaction is given and enthalpy of activation is given. The correct potential energy profile for the reaction is shown in option. Correct potential energy profile हमें बतानी है, इसका जो correct option है that is graph number 3rd. Now coming to question number 85, which of the following reactions is the metal displacement reaction? Choose the right option. इसका जो correct option है that is option 3rd, Cr2O3 plus twice aluminium in presence of heat gives Al2O3 plus twice chromium. Now coming to section B of chemistry, the slope of Arrhenius plot का जो slope है, इसका जो correct option है question number 86 का, इसका जो correct option है that is option second, 41.5 kilojoules per mole. Coming to question number 87, match list first and list second, इसका जो correct option है that is option number 4. Now moving on to question number 88, list first with the list, match list first with the list second, इसका जो correct option है that is option number 1. Now moving to question number 89, from the following pair of ions which one is not an isoelectronic pair, इसका जो correct option है that is option 1, Fe2 positive and Mn2 positive. The molar conductivity of 0.07 0.007 molar, acetic acid is 20. What is the dissociation constant of acetic acid? Choose the correct option. इसका जो correct option है that is option number 4, 1.75 into 10 to the power minus 5 moles per liters. Now moving on to the question number 91. In which one of the following arrangements the given sequence is not strictly according to the properties indicated against it? इसका जो correct option है that is option 3. Moving on to question number 92. The intermediate compound X in the following chemical reaction is? इसका जो correct option है that is option 2. Now moving on to question number 93. Which one of the following is non-polar in nature? इसका जो correct option है that is SbCl5, option number 4. Now match question number 94. Match list first with the list second. इसका जो correct option है that is option number 1. Moving on to question number 95. Reaction is given. Consider the above reaction and identify missing reagent chemical. इसका जो correct option है that is option 4, calcium oxide. Now moving on to question number 96 is the product formed in the following chemical reaction is? इसका जो correct option है that is option number 1. Moving on to question number 97. The correct option for the value of vapor pressure of a solution at 45 degrees Celsius with benzene to octane in molar ratio 3:1 is? This data is given and the answer of this question is option number 4, 336 mm of Ag. Moving on to question number 98. For irreversible expansion of an ideal gas under isothermal conditions, the correct option is? इसका जो correct option है that is option 4. Del U is equal to 0 and del S total is not equivalent to 0. Now moving on to question number 99. Choose the correct option for the total pressure in a mixture of 4 gram oxygen and 2 gram hydrogen confined in a total volume of 1 liter at 0 degrees Celsius is. Following data is given. The correct option of question number 99 is option 4, 25.18. Now moving on to the question number 100. The reagent R in the given sequence of chemical reaction is? इसका जो correct option है that is option 3, CH3 CH2 OH.